G'day commas, welcome back to the bush. No points for guessing what's in here. That's right, it's the SUV DoorStep. We were contacted by SUV DoorStep if we'd like to check out their gear and maybe even test it. I went back to them and I said, yep, no problems, but we're going to break them. And if you're happy with that, we're happy to test them. So they sent out 4, we're going to break 3 and an eBay copy as well to see if it's any better or worse. And we're going to be giving one away to one of our viewers. So stick around to the end of the video for that. The SUV DoorStep comes in a little velvet bag so it won't scratch up your door pocket wherever you store it. And the unit itself is made of aircraft grade aluminium, that's 356 aluminium, and it's been heat treated to T6 specifications, so it's more durable. Now, it does have a pin here, and that looks to be cold rolled mild steel zinc plated, and we also have a glass breaker on the end here, and that's great, but I probably won't use it, to be honest. Now, it does have a bumper on the back here made of some sort of pliable rubber, and that'll be good for protecting your paintwork. Okay, let's see how we actually use it. So let's test it out. Now, I'm no lightweight. I come in at a bit over 100 kilograms, so no way around the hamburger shop, so let's give it a test out. Yep, I can easily reach through roof rack. Without the SUV DoorStep, obviously I'm having a bit of trouble doing this up. And I'll stand up on the SUV DoorStep, and now I have no problems getting into and tying down my firewood for the night. So there is a boon there, but I hear the reservations on Facebook and on YouTube, and it's, will it take my weight? Well, we're going to sort that out with the load cell soon. Okay, so while I know it looks pretty janky, what we've got here is our 20-ton load cell again, and this time it'll be working in compression, which is designed to do, as well as tension. And we've got a 4-ton jack here, which I'm sure will exceed the rating of this thing. It's only rated 231 kilograms. We have an 80 series door latch here, and basically we're just going to keep jacking it up till it breaks. So let's get into it. There we go. Well, that didn't take too much, did it? Surprised me. And now if we can have a look close in here, excuse the dirty fingernails, it's broken on the hinge there, just where I thought it might. Righto, so this is number 2. Just to see if there's a consistency. Now I think I was jacking a little bit faster than the last one, so I'll jack a little bit slower on this one. There we go. Now it's broken again. Okay, let's have a look at the failure itself. So it snapped in a thin section there, as you'd expect, a thin cross section. It's only aluminium, so eventually that's a bit that's going to break it in. If you have a look at the pin there, it's actually bent a little bit as well, but not too bad overall. So as we can see from the results of test 1 and test 2, 400 on the first and 430 on the second, we're averaging 415. Now that's not quite twice the rating of 231, but it's close. I would have preferred actually to see it around about 500, but not too bad really. I mean, I don't know anyone who weighs 415 kilograms, do you? So I actually broke one during the testing before we got a chance to record, which is a bit of a bugger. So we only broke 2, and the eBay one I still believe is on the slow boat from China. Okay, so in the end, what do we think? Well, as you've seen just by the testing, the rating is conservative. They aid you in getting up, especially if you're a little bit altitude challenged, let us say, like I am, exactly the same height as the Fonz. Thumbs up. Righto, so I like them and I'll be using them. Now if you'd like to win an SUV DoorStep, head on over to the Facebook page, links in the description, like, comment and tag a couple of your vertically challenged mates. We'll be giving it a week until the 11th of October 2019, and then we'll be randomly picking a winner. Now if you like this video, guys, give it the old thumbs up, and if you didn't, by all means, give it a thumbs down twice. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one. It's recording SUV DoorStep number 2. Hang on mate, I'm just recording. I'll call you back in a sec.